Here is how you edit an entry on the Summer Place website. First, you log in. You noticed over here there was a login button and a register button. You click login and put in your name and password. You'll get to this screen, the home page. You'll also notice there's little arrows, down arrows, and boxes that are drawn around on the screen that weren't there prior to being logged in. Things like edit text and other highlighting. That tells you that you are currently logged in. If you don't see that, look way up on the top to see if it's set for view. When it's set for view, that's while you're logged in. You can see what other people will see. Sort of what you see is what you get but when you're logged in. When you're editing, you want to be in edit mode, so click edit mode. You won't be using design mode. So in this case here, we'll scroll down the page a little bit and we'll notice there's an article, 3 great shows this summer, and an arrow just above the article. Notice this is in the left pane. We're just going to show you how to edit this article. If the article exists, this is how you do it. For adding an article, we'll deal with that later. But go over to here, just hover over that little arrow and you'll see these items in a menu that drop down. To edit the text in this module, simply click on Edit Text. The page will change. It will reload with a little editor so that you can edit it. Simply scroll down the page and you'll start seeing the text that goes in there. Then at that point, it's pretty much like having Word on your website. You'll see different icons that you can use to format things. If you want to highlight something and bold it, just look up here. There's B for bold. Simply click on it. If you click anywhere in this area to stop highlighting it, you'll see that it just bolded it. To change it, simply come up here, click again. So very straightforward. If you type what you're doing is you're using a little editor that knows HTML. So as you type things in here, it's converting it to HTML. So be aware that that's how that works. If you want to make a headline, we have 3 great shows this summer as a headline. You note if I click in here, it's using format of heading 1. So if you ever want to put a headline, you use that. Just click the down arrow, you'll see various other kinds of headings, and select heading 1 for your heading. So that's all there is to it. You can figure these things out on your own easily enough. If you get fancy, you can actually put a link in. For instance, on this particular one, we wanted to send them from this page to the Don't Dress for Dinner page in this paragraph. Notice this here is a link. To do that, let's say I wanted to make the words French countryside also a link to the Don't Dress for Dinner page. I highlight the words, I come up here, I look for that little piece of chain. If you hover long enough, you'll see Insert Edit Link. Click on that. A new window will pop up. This is the window that sets the link. And it'll say what's the URL. You don't know what the URL is at this time, but you know that it's on the server, so you click on Browse Server. Another window pops open, and it asks you, well, is that an external source? Is that a page on your site? It is. Click on Page. And then the screen changes so that it asks you what page from the site. If you click on this down arrow, it will give you a list of all of the pages that are on the site. The one that we wanted to go to was Don't Dress for Dinner, so simply position and click on it. It will set it. Keep this clicked track number of times for our statistics purposes, and then use the selected link. You notice here you get a bunch of gobbledygook. You don't care. It's set with what you need, and you click OK. And now the word French countryside is actually a link. When you hover over it, it changes so that you know that it is in fact a link. Then when you're done here, all you have to do is scroll to the bottom of this page, not just this window, but this whole page, and then click Update. And once you do that, your changes have been saved. If you click Cancel, everything that you've done here in the editing window will be forgotten. You can click Preview. It's a similar function, but typically you can edit here, click Update, and cancel if you don't want what you just finished doing. So that's all there is in editing a page on the website.